What's up, everyone? This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and today we've got another question. The question sounds like this: the MRTA, right? There is a beneficiary detail need to fill up, kan? So let's say something happened, MRTA will pay the loan off directly to the bank. Then the name beneficiary will automatically get the property under the name. So whenever you apply for a loan or property loan, there is a beneficiary column in MRTA. The one that you can fill in, or usually the beneficiary is understood to be your next of kin, okay? If you are single, then your next of kin is your parents or siblings, that is understood. So usually we don't fill, but if you want to fill, also no problem. Just fill in, no problem. And then the next one, the question says that something happened, MRTA will pay the loan off directly. Yes, MRTA will pay the loan off directly on the condition that you still are covered when the event of death or total permanent disability happen. At that point of time, you are still covered. And if you want to get the property under your name, the MRTA must be able to settle the whole outstanding loan and completely settle the outstanding loan. And then you can get the property under your name. But, okay, the first things first, they will settle the bank loan first, the MRTA. Because the whole policy owner is the bank, correct? Then, after this property is already fully paid, what will happen is that if the person is already deceased, passed away, it will form part of the estate. Before you can release to the beneficiary, you need to go to the government first. The first person that will take anything is the government. Remember, the government, because of taxes. If let's say the person has taxes outstanding, they will take from there first, the estate, the deceased person estate. Second is the creditors. Creditors here including the banks. So the banks just now got the MRTA, right? So this part here don't have already finished for this property. But if there's others, personal loan, credit card, whatever it is, this the bank will take first, okay? Then only go to the name beneficiary, okay? The name beneficiary, if you got no will, things are going to get very sticky lah. You need to wait for the letter of administration, LA, go to High Court. That one is a long story, okay? But to answer this question here, it will go to you, but not before they finish everything. The government take a share, your creditors will take a share first. Then it goes to you. Whatever balance, it goes to you, okay? I hope that answers the question. And if you have any more questions, just write down below. I'll try to answer as many as I can. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video.